Good morning.
Hello.
We are checking out the Big E today, which for those of you that don't know what it is, I didn't.
I know. Well, I grew up in Connecticut, so right at the corner.
I grew up with county fairs in Hudson Valley, but this is the Eastern States Exposition, which is Connecticut, Massachusetts,
it's a very
New Hampshire.
Fancy name, yeah.
Yeah, for a whole bunch of states having their fair together. So we're going to check it out today.
Most of them are very small states, so yeah.
No better way to start our day than with a sugar crash.
It's almost breakfast, so that's...
Yeah, so this is our breakfast pastry. You know, you tell me if I come to the Big E, I have to have the Big Eclair. So, show us how to eat a Big Eclair, Ed.
You mean make a huge mess and ruin my clothes?
Of course. First thing to start off the day.
Yeah, here we go.
Can I have a bite? It's sweet.
Very sweet.
Alright, so if you know anything about fairs, you know about the pig races, but something behind me that I've never seen before, butter carving. Anybody need a wool sweater? They do sheep shearing daily. Oh, that was Ed imitating a sheep.
I need a haircut too.
This cow is so sweet and the colorings are so cool.
I think I'm melting.
I'm hip to that. Scotty, close the door, man.
I gotta get out of here. I got a date with a lasagna.
Hey Ed, do you want to see the world's smallest horse?
I do not.
It's a family show.
These are the coolest, funkiest chickens I've ever seen. Figured it out yet. The fair is all about finding stuff you never knew you didn't need to buy. Checking out all the animals from around the region and all the farms and everything.
Right.
And the one thing Ed's not going to do, rides.
Well, I'm very not scary at all.
You are very scary. Blooper. Oh yeah, and all food is fried or comes on a stick. That's the fair. So as we mentioned, there's only a few reasons to come to the fair, and one of them is food. So we got ourselves some clam cakes and clam chowder. Here's to clam cakes. So the crowds aren't too bad today. It's a midweek day, which is really good for you.
Yeah, or everybody.
But especially you trying to navigate through all the buildings and the aisles. Makes it much easier for you.
Right. So when I used to come here, we came on weekends, and it was so busy.
I can't even imagine.
Yeah.
But it also happens to be a beautiful day today. Like sitting in the shade is nice. The sun's a little bit warm. So yeah.
Yeah, I'll take this any day.
We're just sitting here enjoying our food and a breeze and some trees and music.
Yeah, that's true.
More food to come. I think that's what you are dragging me around for today.
Probably a lot.
Ooh. If you're making me wait in line, this better be the best potato I've ever had.
All I know is when I was young, this was like the thing. Everybody would sit there for hours on those days.
It better be a good potato.
Baked potato, which, whatever.
I don't think there's no such thing as a bad baked potato either, so.
Well, hopefully not.
Hopefully not.
And that was just my order.
There you go. See if I can get a nice fat one here for you both.
A little bit of bacon.
He's never been.
Like chives.
Oh, you've never been? Oh my gosh. Congratulations.
Thank
you.
you.
You made it. I'll give you a little extra. How's that? That
She can tell I look hungry.
That works. Has nothing to do with fat. It's to have fun. It's all in fun. Oh, that makes a nice lunch.
Yeah, that's what we said.
Then you come back for dinner.
Right.
That's the whole purpose of it.
And no calories.
Oh, you walk off the calories.
That's true.
That's
You're
right.
right.
You walk off the calories.
That'll do it.
Nice.
Perfect. Two.
There you go. That's
Fantastic.
right. I'm a celebrity now. I was on TV
Thank you
last
so much. All right, so Ed tells me this is the thing to have.
Yes.
Let's find out. There's just everything on this potato. Did you see how much butter she put on it too? Do I have potato or just a whole bunch of butter? All right.
That's the best part. Is it good?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's rich, it's good.
All right, I haven't had this in years. Yep.
It's the Epcot World Showcase of New England.
Kinda, but
They're all American
they're all
adventure.
rides.
That was actually a really good potato.
I told you, I don't know why. It's definitely memories for me.
I enjoyed that.
Good.
Come for the weird foods, like potatoes.
Sure. So weird.
Well, it's weird fair food. It wasn't on a stick and it wasn't fried,
Yeah, at least not yet.
but it was really good. It had a lot of butter, so there's where it qualifies.
Yeah, and that's really good for the heart.
My heart can feel it right now. So here in Vermont, they're putting out the Big E extra sharp cheddar. So Ed needs to bring some of that home, he said. And of course, we couldn't leave our trip to Vermont today, you know, the Vermont building, without some maple candy. These are for later for us to sugar crash. So a trip we're gonna have to do soon, Ben & Jerry's up in Vermont. We need to go sample some ice cream. And after our long road trip to Vermont, we're back in Connecticut.
Yeah, that's what our house looks like every day.
So just so you know, this is the Avenue of the States. So it was only a half joke when I said it's World Showcase of New England.
Yeah, it is really cool. You've been enjoying it.
It is neat. I like how each state has its building, which is it's fun. And then across from us are like older style colonial buildings.
Yeah, I mean, I've always loved here. You know, I think it's cool.
And it's a nice day, even though it's probably about to rain soon.
It is about to rain. Yeah, it's like being in Florida.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, Ed, tell everyone what Connecticut's famous for.
Apparently,
Tobacco.
tobacco. It's good for you.
Yeah. Okay, creativity. All right, so Ed made me get a slice of pizza that has bacon, peanut butter, and mozzarella.
I am so excited to see what you think about this. This was one of my favorites when I used to go around here.
It
It's
sounds
so
good.
absurd.
Also, if we step this way, we can make it look like we're outside.
Oh, but it's not. It's actually hot in here. Is it really good?
It's a salty, sweet, cheesy, smoky slice of pizza.
Yeah, it's
It
literally
works.
everything you kind of
It works.
crave in one bite.
And believe it or not, we might be too full for New Hampshire Mac and Cheese. And there's a huge line like there was for the Maine potatoes, so that's okay. And hiding in the middle of everything here, Colonial Village.
Yeah, I used to do this a lot when I was young. I mean, I'm
He
still
was never young.
Both, you're right. But yeah, I liked
But it
it.
is cute over here. Hey Ed,
I want to go.
you want to go to the petting zoo?
Yeah, I'm a big boy.
All right, we're going to the petting zoo. So I think that'll do it for our day here at the Big E.
Yeah. How was it for your first time?
I had fun. It was basically similar to the county fairs, you know, that I grew up going to.
Yeah.
Just a little bit bigger in size, and instead of every little town having a booth, every state does. They have the
Yeah,
buildings.
you're right.
So it's kind of neat. It was fun.
Yeah, I'm glad I got to go. I'm glad I got to bring you.
I'm glad we got to go together. Exactly.
Yeah, and it's now time to leave. I think, you know.
Now that the sun's coming back out. Mhm.
I've done all days before.
No, I
it's
couldn't.
a lot, yeah.
Although I bet coming in night, you know, it's all nice and lit up and
Oh,
everything.
yeah, and it is. But it's also nice to go home.
And we have to safely make it through the alley of like fried food that I'm looking at over here. I still haven't had any fried pickles.
They're
But that's something that's not special to the Big E. I can get that anywhere.
Yeah.
So, oh, literally in front of me, deep fried beignets, Oreos, funnel cakes. Oh no,
time
we need to go to the
home.
car. The dogs
Right,
need us.
Right, and they do.
So, there's more New England for you. You all
Yeah,
asked
right.
and we'll deliver.
There it is.
But in any case, thank you for joining along with us. Make sure to subscribe to be notified where our next destination might be. Click the bell icon to be notified when we get there.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon.